So hello coders, this is TK from localhost coder and welcome to the front-end web development series for beginners. And in the last video we talked about how a web server and a client communicates through the DNS, and we understood how web pages are displayed on our browser. So as I told you in the previous video, in this video we are going to learn HTML, and before starting the actual coding of HTML, we are going to understand some basic concepts of HTML. That HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is not a programming language. Some people confuse it with a programming language, but it is way simpler than the programming language, and it is used to develop web pages, and it describes the structure of a web page. And there are multiple tags in the HTML which does this job. So let's understand the basic structure of HTML by creating a simple HTML page. And to create an HTML page, you just need a text editor. And the best editor to get started with HTML is already installed on your computer, so you don't have to worry about the editor. And to display the web page, you just need a browser, which is by default provided. So let's create a HTML page. To create a HTML page, I'm going to open Notepad. You can do it with any text editor, but I'm going to use Notepad. And I'm going to paste a basic structure of HTML. And friends, it is just a text file till now, but to make it HTML page, we have to save it as .html or .htm. And to do that, you have to just click on File, Save As, and in the name you can type anything, but index.html is the preferred name for HTML page. So let's save it, and now our web page is created, and you can see that on our desktop. And if you double click on it, we are going to see a web page displayed in our browser. So friends, you have just created a HTML page, and you have already started your journey to create a website. So let's understand the structure of HTML page. So friends, there are multiple blocks in this HTML. So in the starting, you can see the doc type HTML, and this tells the browser that this is the HTML document, so display it as HTML page. And here you can see HTML tag, and whenever you type HTML tag, we also have to tap the closing HTML tag, which is in the last, and in between there are multiple tags. So here is another one, that is head tag, and you can also see the closing tag, and it describes the heading of a web page. And in between the head tag, you can see the title tag, and it is used to tell the browser that this is the title of my web page. So if you change this title to like Frontend web dev, and if you save it, and if you go back, you can see the front-end web dev has been displayed in the title of our page. So after that, we have the body tag, and body tag is used to describe the body of an HTML page, and all the content of the page is going to be between these tags, just like this h1 and p tag. H1 stands for heading, and p stands for paragraph. So this is the basic structure of HTML page, and we already have created a HTML page. So friends, that's all for this video, and we are going to learn more tags in our next videos. And friends, please subscribe this channel to watch the next video of this series. And if you are on my channel for the first time, I have already made a video on introduction to www, so you can go and watch that video. I'll give the link in description, and I'm going to link my playlist too. So that's it for now. Goodbye, take care.